Good evening, guys. It's Mike here. It's good to be back once again after the trio of typhoons that lashed the Bicol region. And the last one, Ulysses, also gave some blow here across the northern part of the Bicol region. And just yesterday, our power went back, as well as past few days, our telecommunications are restored. Were restored. And right now we are resuming to our usual tropical weather analysis, MWF. And so far for the next 10 to 15 days, we are free of any LPA or tropical cyclone development east of the Philippines, and that's good news. So let's begin. This is our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, November 16 to 18, 2020, and this English version is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Okay, let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, 10 p.m. Monday until Tuesday, tomorrow, 10 p.m. We are now seeing the start of the northeast monsoon. This is the Amihan, the cold air from the north, bringing some cooler temperatures across the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including Batanes. And you can see here the remnants of once Typhoon Famco or Ulysses, which devastated most parts of the Philippine Islands, particularly Luzon and portions of the Visayas and the Bicol region. And it's quite a large system, but so far we are now getting back to normal. As you know, many of our folks has been affected by major flooding in most parts of Luzon, particularly here in Bicol, Naga City, Kamsur, and also major parts of central Luzon, northern Luzon, as well as here in Cagayan and also in Metro Manila. But so far, slowly we are getting back to normal, but let's hope and pray our folks will their lives will be restored. So the northeast monsoon is here, and I expect some Christmassy weather across extreme northern Luzon, while some warm easterlies continues to prevail across the eastern sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, and including the Bicol region, Mimaropa, Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, and Mindanao. So there could be some passing showers or thunderstorms along these areas. Let's take note that we are now in the we are still in the effects of the La Nina phenomenon, which is right now at moderate levels. That's why we have this warm easterlies bringing some showers in most parts of the country. And so far, nothing serious when it comes to heavy rainfall at this time. But after 10 days, we are going to look again if there is another formation. But let's hope and pray till the end of December it is just these rains from the northeast monsoon and easterlies, and we will be alright. But those living in flood-prone areas, landslide-prone areas, so please take all necessary precautions, even though we don't have any tropical systems. And here's the windy.com night vision satellite animation from UMITSAT. As you can see, there are some showers now occurring here in the areas of Cam Norte, northern Quezon, and Rizal area. So this is brought about by the easterly southeast wind flow, as well as the eastern sections of the Visayas and Mindanao. There are some showers as well due to the easterly southeast wind flow. And here's the latest from the 2-day wind and rain forecast from ECMWF. So far, it's just the easterly southeast wind flow prevailing across the eastern sections of Luzon. you can see here on tomorrow, tomorrow 5 p.m. Tuesday, some thunderstorms and rain showers will still be expected in some parts of Visayas and most parts of Mindanao. And also on Wednesday, some showers will be expected along these areas, especially in the central and southern portions of the Philippine Islands. So far, this is just a passing showers and thunderstorms brought about by the easterly surface wind flow. Okay, so there you go. It's the latest for this Monday evening, 16th of November 2020, and we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more updates on our weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Good night to all. God bless, and thank you for watching our weather channel.